In this video, I want to show you how to set projection of MODFLOW model in ModelMuse. So let's get started. To start, let me launch my ModelMuse. Double click it. Here, I want to create a new MODFLOW model. So therefore, I'll check this and click on Next. Here, I'll be required to enter my projection. Now, how do you determine or decide the projection you should use? The best way is to check the coordinate reference system of the data you want to work with, and you can easily do that, for example, in other GIS software like QGIS. So let me open QGIS and bring in the data I want to use so that I can find or quickly look at the coordinate reference system of that data. So I'll click on Add Vector Layer and I will navigate to my working folder. I have this data I want to use. Let me use this and click on Open. Then I will click on Add. It has been added. I can now close this. So to check the coordinate reference system, I can just place my cursor on it and you will see a pump up, and you can see a pump up that show the EPSG. Alternatively, you can right click and come to Layer Coordinate Reference System, and you can see the current or the layer coordinate system here, which is 32632. Another way of knowing the coordinate reference system, you can come down here. You can see EPSG and the number is 32632. That is the number you have to take note of. Now let's go to ModelMuse. In ModelMuse, since I'm creating my MODFLOW model, I'll be required to enter that very projection here. So I will enter the projection, which is 32632. That is the projection. Then I will click on Next. Then I can click on No Grid. So it will launch my ModelMuse interface proper. Yes, you can see that I have successfully defined or set the projection of my model. So this is how to set the projection of your MODFLOW model in ModelMuse. Thank you for watching.